What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right behind me here is the 2024 Maserati Grecale Modena. I'm going to show you guys everything about this car and why a few days ago I did not like it and now I love it. This is a very luxurious and sporty SUV from Maserati. As you can see, you have your signature Maserati look in the front. At first, I wasn't a big fan of this look, but I think it's because of the headlights. You have these bubbly headlights in the front. Nice sporty hood. You have the huge Maserati Trident. They couldn't just have that Trident to let you know it's a Maserati. They had to put it here as well. There are no fog lights or anything like that, but you do have these vents right over here. I don't know if you can see it, but they actually go through to help with aerodynamics. You have these 20-inch alloy wheels with Maserati painted brake calipers. You have these 3 vents over here, which you might think they're fake, but they're not. It actually helps extract the heat from the engine. And then you have this model, which is the Modena. There are 3 different trims. There's the Maserati Grecale GT, there's the Maserati Grecale Modena, which is this one, and there's the Maserati Grecale Trofeo. The Trofeo being the highest trim. That car has a V6 making almost 530 horsepower. This one has an inline-4 turbocharged hybrid engine making 325 horsepower. It's made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and yeah, pretty nice engine. It actually sounds fantastic. Coming around, you have a turn signal indicator in the mirrors. The door handles, as you can see, is your touchpad where you can lock and unlock your car. It's actually a rubber pad inside that you just press and the door opens. You have your gas tank on the driver's side and a nice Maserati Trident right there on the side pillar. Shark fin antenna in the back, of course. You have this very nice and sporty spoiler in the back. Says Maserati right here. The model, the Grecale, and you have quad exhaust, as you can see. It is an overall beautiful car. Let's take a look at the trunk. So you have your rear view camera right here. You also have a button that you press and the trunk opens. And you actually have decent amount of space in the back. Right under here you have all your mobility kits. As you can see, some Maserati manuals. Your batteries right there. You get an extra wiper, look at that. If you want to fold down the seats, you can. You just press that latch and your seats go down for extra storage space. Of course, you have your net as well. Not a net, but you have a cover for the trunk. And to close, you just press the button. Give you another look around the car. Beautiful, beautiful car. At first, I didn't like this car, but I've learned to love it. It drives fantastic, it sounds fantastic, and it's a very nice and sporty SUV, guys. And soon when we take it out for a drive, you'll see why. So that's the exterior of the Maserati Grecale. How about I take you guys into the interior? This car is very luxurious, very nice materials inside. That's another thing that I like about this car. Let's go take a look. Of course, you have keyless entry. And look at that door panel. You have a combination of leather, rubber, wood, and metal. This is a very expensive car, so they didn't just put door handles, they put buttons. So to open the door from the inside of this car, you just press this button right here. If for any reason the battery goes dead, you have this latch over here to open the door as well as a secondary option. You have a little bit of storage space right here. Nice door seal that says Maserati. And look at the seat. Very nice leather seats. Look at the buttons, very nice materials. They feel very nice to the touch. This is a very beautiful car. I love it. I love the interior of this car. Let's sit down inside. Man, yeah, you can tell this is a very nice vehicle. Let's go ahead and close the door. Put the foot on the brake and start her up. You're probably wondering how much this car is worth. Well, this car is worth about $80,000 out the door. Just like this one. This very same car is $80,000. Very expensive, but it's well worth it for the kind of materials that you get inside this car. The performance, the luxury is well worth it. It's all about attention to detail in this car. Very beautiful steering wheel. You have your media controls on the left, cruise control and safety options on the right. You have your drive mode select on the right here in this wheel, and you have the options of comfort, GT, or sport. I always keep it on sport mode, of course, but materials feels fantastic. The steering wheel feels very sporty, and you know, you can grip it really nicely. That's your start button right here, highlighted in blue, but just the steering wheel only, it's fantastic. You have paddle shifters on each side. They're metal, and just the click, I don't like the fact that the stock over here moves with the paddle shifters when you shift, but they feel metal, they feel very nice. Look at that huge screen that you get as a cluster. You have your tachometer on the left and your speedometer on the right, and right here in the center you have the your maps. Even the AC vents, they feel metal. They feel very nice to the touch. Infotainment system, also very nice, very huge screen. Your AC controls are also touchscreen, and your gear selector is also buttons. As you can see, you have park, reverse, neutral, and drive. You have a little bit of storage space right over here. Some more storage space with 2 USB ports. Again, materials. This is wood, and it feels also very nice. 2 cup holders. In here, we have some more storage with a 12-volt outlet. And of course, you have your glove compartment over here with your manuals. Again, this car is so luxurious. Look how your manuals come in this leather pouch. They come in this leather pouch. I mean, look at that. That's just beautiful. I've never seen another car. Look at that. That's amazing. I love it. You have the Maserati logo right here, the Trident. This is yeah, this is very nice, guys. You also have the controls here for the sunroof. This car has a panoramic roof and a sunroof. Let's go ahead and open that. So for that, we're gonna first open the shade. If you tap it one more time, it will open the rear. And we also have a sunroof that we're gonna open. And yep, you hit it one more time and it opens more. And I think that's as far as it goes, but yeah, very, very nice. Let's go ahead and close it up so we can yeah, very beautiful car. Also, this infotainment system is mated to a 14-speaker sound system called Sonus Faber, and it says it right there, Faber or Faber, however you want to call it. But yeah, the speakers in this car is fantastic. It sounds amazing, amazing. I'm used to having the most 6 or 10 speakers in a car. This car has 14 speakers inside, guys. It sounds, I don't know how to describe it. It sounds fantastic. I love it. All right, let's take a look at the rear side of the car. In the rear, you have same very nice materials. Your Sonus Faber sound system. A little bit of storage space right over here. Touch button to open the doors. I'll put the seats back up. But yeah, space for 3 adults. You have an armrest with 2 cup holders. You also have your AC vents and 2 USB ports. There's no storage pockets behind the passenger or the driver's seats, but very nice leather seats. They feel very comfortable. And if you want to put the seats down from the back seats, you can do that as well over here. There you go. All right, now that I show you guys the exterior and interior of this car, let's take a look under the hood and take a look at that beautiful inline 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. So to open the hood, we're gonna pull a little latch right here. There you have it. Inline 4-cylinder engine, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission, making 325 horsepower. If you're worried about fuel economy, she will do 22 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. Beautiful brand new Maserati engine. Again, this is also a hybrid vehicle. So of course you have all these weird, cables and whatnot. It's also turbocharged. That's your turbo right there. Also, those LED headlamps, they look beautiful. I do like the design of the headlights, the inside housing. I don't like the bubble look of them. I don't like that bubble look, but inside, the light pattern inside, I love it. So it's a love and hate. I have a love and hate relationship with these headlights. Make sure you guys let me know in the comment section whether you like this car or not, what you love and hate about it. And also make sure if you're enjoying the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more car content. All right guys, so the time has come for me to show you why I enjoy driving this car. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a drive so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So right now we're driving in sport mode, in manual mode, so I will be shifting gears with the paddles. Let's go ahead and open the sunshade so we have better lighting in here. But just take a listen how good this car sounds. As a matter of fact, I also don't have a lot of gas. I have 13 miles left, but yeah, we'll go ahead and waste that little bit of gas. Let's do a quick speed test here. So we'll stop at 0 and launch it. 1, 2, 3. Quickly, just like that, you get to 130 miles an hour. It's crazy because it's only 325 horsepower, but it's kind of torquey. That turbocharge really helps it. So the car feels very fast, even though it doesn't have a lot of horsepower. And do you guys listen to that sound? Yeah, let's do that again. Here we go. Oh yeah. She sounds amazing, guys. I love it. It's downshift. You can also hear the turbo when he spools. And I'm sorry my window is a little dirty here, but yeah, the car feels so sturdy and sporty. I just love it. I love driving this thing. Yeah, we need to go put gas like ASAP because it just went completely down to 0. Let's find a gas station quickly. Hopefully I don't run out of gas. Let's pass this car here. Just like that. Enjoy driving this car, guys. On the highway, you barely get any wind noise or road noise. You can barely hear any road noise in here, so it's extremely quiet. On the highway, driving on the street is very planted, it just feels great no matter where you put it. The steering wheel, I love this steering wheel. I've probably never seen a steering wheel better than this one. We're hitting a little bit of traffic here, and I'm a little uncomfortable because I don't have gas. I'm on empty. So hopefully I make it. We'll see. So trying to find gas and there's traffic, and yeah, it's not a good. It's not good. I'm probably not gonna throw it anymore. I'm just gonna put it back to automatic and just drive like a regular civilian. So I'll be driving from now on until I find a gas station like a grandpa. I don't know, man, I can't. Come on, guys, get out of the way. I need to find a gas station. You can also hear the turbo when it's pulling up. You can hear it, you know, the suction, and that's what I like about this car. You can hear all these type of noises, and it just make driving pleasurable. Like I mentioned before I got this car, I was like, oh, 325 horsepower. You know, I've driven more than that. It's nothing. You know, it's not gonna be a big deal. Yeah, luxury car, no big deal. But I've enjoyed driving this car. The noises it make from that exhaust, I highly recommend this car. This is the type of car that you get once you start making money. Because I mean, it's not a cheap car. It's $80,000. I'm pretty sure if you add options and stuff like that, that amount is gonna go up. I'm sure you can get different wheels, different type of interior colors and stuff like that. So eventually it'll add up. But this one, just as is, $80,000, it's expensive. But very nice car, highly recommended. And yeah. All right, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe for more car content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Now I have to find a gas station quickly.